Welcome to Natural X, your trusted space for natural remedies, herbal wellness, holistic healing, and science-backed home health tips. If you're looking for safe, natural ways to boost immunity, improve digestion, balance hormones, reduce stress, heal skin naturally, grow stronger hair, detox your body, or support long-term health, you're in the right place. Here on Natural X, we combine ancient herbal wisdom with modern scientific research to bring you real, effective, and reliable natural health solutions. No harmful chemicals, no fake miracle cures, no clickbait. Just honest, practical, natural healing that fits into everyday life. From herbs and spices to fruits, teas, essential oils, breathing techniques, and lifestyle habits. We explore everything nature gives us to stay healthy, energized, and happy. Subscribe and join a global community learning to heal naturally, live clean, and thrive through nature-powered wellness. Welcome to Natural X, where healing is natural, health is real, and wellness is a way of life.